Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about what are the features got added in the iQOO 7 device with the latest update, which is a 1.72.12. Yes friends, there are three new changes which has been happened in this iQOO 7's latest update, as you can see. So this is the August security patch update which some of the users are actually receiving just starting from today. Yes, so which is a 1.72.12, but still few of the users like me, they are still running the 1.72.9. I'm not sure why it's happened like that, but still we are in the June security patch update only. Yes, so still there are the users like me to receive the July and then the August update. As you can see friends, still I'm running the June update only, which is a 1.70.9. so let's see friends, I think even the green tint problem not got fixed, I think so, in the August update, but there are a couple of changes got added. I'll try to explain you what are the features got added in this latest update, which is a 1.7.12, so which is going to be really interesting. Yeah, ask my couple of subscribers to send me the screenshot as well, so regarding the what are the features got changed, and in this video I'll try to exactly show you what are those things got changed. In the August 1.70.12, there's a 4D vibrations and the esports mode got enabled in the Battlegrounds mobile. Yes, that's a one major upgrade for the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay in the iQOO 7 device. So we all do love this kind of 4D vibrations in the iQOO 7 device. Yes, it's really good, but before it's not enabled, but right now you can actually experience the 4D haptic vibrations in the iQOO 7 device. So this is the confirmation which I got from plenty of other subscribers as well, as you can see. So 4D vibrations and the esports mode both got enabled in the Battlegrounds mobile gameplay. So this is my situation when I'm running in the version 9, as you can see, June update. So still there is no voice changer. So in the July update, the voice changer got added. In the August update, the 4D vibrations and the esports mode got added. So these are the increased in terms of the features for the Battlegrounds mobile game in the iQOO 7 device. Yes, so finally we got to know that the iQOO 7 will be definitely getting the 4D haptic vibrations. That's a one good advantage. So but it takes some time. I'm not sure how long this is gonna take. So it's still, I'm really confused why it's like that, because still some users did not receive the July and some users are receiving the August update. So and right now another feature is the extended RAM capabilities also got increased, as you can see friends. So before it was only 3 GB, now 4 GB got increased extended RAM capabilities. So 8 plays 4 GB. So before it was only 8 plus 3 GB, that's the one thing. So still I'm totally confused because iQOO 7 users, they are getting this kind of 3 different security patch updates. So at same time, I mean June, July and August. And there is no 90 Hz refresh rate added into the display, nothing at all. That's the one thing which is present in the iQOO Z3, but right now we cannot find anything, those kind of settings in the iQOO 7 device at this moment. But there are display settings in the game mode got changed. Some of the users, they did mention in the iQOO 7 device. So let's see friends, how long will it gonna take to receive the July update and to receive the August update. So still I'm running only the 1.72.9, and still not only me, there are a lot of other users who, I did ask a couple of users as well to comment under my video. I did get plenty of comments, so thank you for all the comments friends. And I did order my phone from the Amazon, so make sure to comment under description from which website you did order. So I did order my phone from the Amazon website. On the first sale only I did bought my phone. So maybe that might be the reason why I'm last. So let me know in the comment section below friends what are your thoughts. And this is a kind of weird situation because 3 software updates, 3 different versions at same time in same users mobile phones, it's kind of rare because 2 can be happening but not 3. So June, July and August, let's see when we'll be getting this kind of update. Only one thing is that the green tint issue still not got fixed, I think so, but I'll definitely check in my videos when I get the update. So thank you for watching this video friends, and don't forget to check the page for more information. See you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.